How to embed video on Twitter application. First, just go to your Twitter application and choose any tweets that you wanted to embed to your next tweet. And before we continue, if you want to see more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Just hit that subscribe button. Okay, I will do this tutorial on my Android phone. You can always do so on your iOS. It's same thing basically. So from your home feed, just go to the tweets that you wanted to embed, click the share button and then choose copy link, and from there just open your browser. So exit Twitter and paste the link to your address bar and choose view as desktop site. I think this feature is available to browser, and from there just click the three dots button on the tweet and choose embed tweet. You will be redirected to publish.twitter.com. Okay, and then just copy the code from there. Go to your Twitter application, click the floating button, the plus tweeting floating button, and then choose tweet. Just paste it and look for a link to pic.twitter.com. It's usually the third link from the bottom. Delete all of the rest of the code. It's not going to be useful in particular case. And once everything is deleted, you can add caption from there. And then once you deem your edit is done, just click tweet and Twitter will notify you that your tweet was sent. You can check it from your profile. Okay, like so. And that's pretty much how you embed video tweets on Twitter. As always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at TechTricks to cover, please do not hesitate to put it on a comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps. Take care and goodbye YouTube.